you all are doing fine? That's great. So let's start your mathematics class. So we have done many things with the 3-digit numbers, right? So today we are going to learn about ascending order and descending order. Now first we'll learn about ascending order. So let's see. See the example. If you see the numbers in this direction, what can you see? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The numbers are continuously increasing from smaller, like from 1 to 10. So from smaller it's going to a bigger. So if you see from this direction, from here to here, this order is called ascending order. Now what is descending order? It's just the opposite of ascending order. When you arrange the numbers from bigger to smaller, that arrangement is called descending order. You can see, if you consider in this direction, just opposite of ascending order. From 10, 9, 8, 7, what can you find? You can find the numbers are continuously decreasing. Means the numbers are getting smaller. From bigger to smaller. So when you are arranging the numbers from bigger to smaller, it is called descending order. You can see here also, this is called ascending order. If you go in this direction, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, till 10. So if you go in this direction, it is called ascending order. And if you go from here to here, from bigger to smaller, it is called descending order. From 10, 9, 8, 7, if you come till 1, that is called descending order. So is it clear to you? When you arrange the number from smaller to bigger, it is called ascending order. And when you arrange the numbers from bigger to smaller, it is called descending order. Now let's see some examples. So let's see the example. Arrange the numbers in ascending order. Here you can see some numbers are given that you have to arrange in ascending order, means from smallest number to biggest number. So first of all you have to find the smallest number among all the numbers. So for that the first trick is you have to check the number of digits in the given numbers. You can see all the numbers are 3-digit numbers except this 57. So obviously this is a 2-digit number. Obviously a 2-digit number is smaller than the 3-digit number. So we got our smallest number here. So we write the smallest number first. Because in ascending order we have to start from the smallest number. So now 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 other numbers are remaining and all 4 numbers are 3-digit numbers. Now you have to check hundreds place of each of this number. If you check, you can see this number starts with 5. It also starts with 5. Here you can see starts with 2. It also starts with 2. Now you have to check in which number, in hundreds place, which number is having the smallest digit. Obviously you can find that 2 is smaller than 5. So the next smallest number obviously will start with 2. So we will not consider this 2. Now if you find there are 2 3-digit numbers that starts with 2. So means in the hundreds place you can see 2 is there in both the number. Then how to compare? You know that. You have to check the tens place. So let's do it. In the tens place you can see here 3 is placed and here 1 is placed. So, which number is smaller? You know 1 is smaller than 3. So, obviously 212 is the smaller number than this 230. So, our next smallest number is 212. Now, only one 3-digit number is left that starts with 2 and other 2 numbers start with 5. Because 5 is greater than 2, so obviously the next smaller number is 230. Next you can see 2 3-digit numbers are remaining. Now how to arrange this number? You know in ascending order, again I am reminding you, smallest to biggest. So in these 2 numbers you have to find out which one is smaller. So you can see hundreds place hundreds place both the number having same digit, that is 5. So what is the rule? You have to check the tens place. So in tens place again you can see both the numbers are having same digit. Then how to check? You have to check the ones place. Yes, in ones place you can find this number is having 7 and this number is having 9. So you can take the decision here. 7 is smaller than 9. So the next small number is 567. So 1 is remaining only 1 is left only, so that will be last. 569. So in this way you can see now we arrange all the given numbers in ascending order. 57, 212, 230, 567 and 569. So in this way you can arrange the given number in ascending order. Now we have to arrange the numbers in descending order. Descending order means you have to arrange the number from biggest to smallest. Okay, so what will be your job? Your job will be first you have to find out the biggest number. So again the rule I taught you. First we have to check the number of digits present in the given numbers. You can see all the numbers are of 3-digit numbers. So there is no 2-digit number. Then the next trick is you have to check the hundreds place. Now we are finding the greatest number, means the biggest number. So the number that is having highest value in the hundreds place will be the biggest number, right? So let's check. First one is 450. 4, here 9, here 1, here 1, here 3. So obviously you can check from the hundreds place. 9 is the biggest. So obviously the biggest number is 970. Now after 9 you can easily find out. After 9 you can see what is the next biggest number, that is 450. Why? Because it starts with 4. And others it starts with 1, it starts with 1, it starts with 3. So obviously the next big number is 450. So this is the next biggest number among this. Now you can check 3 3-digit numbers are left. Now 2 3-digit numbers are starting with 1 and only one number, that is 346, that starts with 3. So obviously 3 is greater than 1. We are only checking the hundreds place. 100 tens ones, 100 tens ones, 100 tens ones. We are only checking the hundreds place. So by checking the hundreds place only we can find out. 346 is the bigger number. Yes. Now 2 numbers left. Check. And both are starting from 1. So in this case you have to apply the trick number 3. What was the rule? You have to, when you find both the numbers the digits are same in hundreds place, what you have to do? You have to check the tens place, right? So here you can find it starts with in the tens place it is 2 is there, here also 2 is there. So next rule, in tens place also the digits are same, you have to check the ones place. So in ones place you can find here 0 and here 8. So obviously which one is bigger? 8 is bigger than 0. So obviously got our next biggest number, that is 128. Because 1 to 0, here 1 to 8. 8 is bigger than 0. And at last that is left, that is our smallest number, that is 120. Now if you see you got your arrangement in descending order, 970, 450, 346, 128 and 120. So in this way you can easily arrange the given numbers in ascending or descending order. I hope you enjoyed today's class and you have learned how to arrange the numbers in ascending or descending order. Yes, great. Thank you.